Dear students, today we are going to study fourth unit is purification of organic compounds and stereochemistry. So this is 15 hours syllabus. So in this unit there are two parts. One is purification of organic compounds, another one is stereochemistry. In purification of organic compounds, we have to study methods of purification of solid. It means we are going to study crystallization, fractional crystallization and sublimation. In methods of purification of liquids, there is distillation, fractional distillation, distillation under reduced pressure and steam distillation. And in chromatography, general principles, types, brief outline of thin layer chromatography means TLC, paper chromatography and column chromatography, solvent extraction. And last one is criteria of purity, it means melting point and boiling point. And next part is stereochemistry. In stereochemistry, first one is cycloalkanes. Cycloalkane means there we are going to study Bayer strain theory, calculation of angle strain, Sachs-Moore theory of strainless rings, chair and board forms of cyclohexane, axial and equatorial bonds. Similarly, in conformational isomerism, so definition ENZ notation for 2-butane and butanoic acid, rules for assigning notations. As similarly in optical isomerism, chirality, Van 't Hoff level hypothesis, optical activity, D and L configuration, R and S notation, sequence of purity rules, enantiomers, distereoisomers, so etc. So these are the topics which we are going to cover in unit 4. And here the first part is purification of organic compounds. So purification of organic compounds. So first we should know that organic compounds means what? Basically organic compound means these are generally any compounds that contain carbon and hydrogen bonds. So this is a simple definition. For example, carbohydrates, lipids, proteins, etc. So these organic compounds, the study of the properties, reactions and synthesis of organic compounds, that is known as organic chemistry. And next one, an organic compound may be obtained from a natural source or synthesized one. Then what happens? Organic compounds usually they contain some impurities depending upon the source, methods of synthesis, reagent used in the process, etc. So organic compounds, we know that whether solids, liquids or gaseous, when they are separated from organic reactions, are uncommonly pure. So they may be contaminated with other compounds which are formed as byproduct owing to a side reaction. So hence there is always need for the purification of organic compound. So here they mentioned organic compounds, whether solid, liquids, gaseous, they are separated from organic reactions, uncommonly pure. So we have to purify these organic compounds. So it is not possible to use any impure organic compounds to determine the percentage composition, empirical formula, molecular formula and any properties. So we have to purify the organic compounds. So there are on the basis of nature of the compounds and the nature of impurities, different methods are in practice for the purification of organic compounds. So for purification, there are some methods are there: purification of solid and purification of liquid. So these were organic compounds. So purification of solid organic compounds, these are the method. First one is crystallization, sublimation, fractional crystallization. And for the purification of liquids, these are the methods: distillation, fractional distillation, steam distillation and distillation under reduced pressure. So next we are going to study one by one.